Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be testing out my new airbrush and compressor set that I received from Meeden. The company is Meeden. I will show you the box of the airbrush that I'm going to use. I'm only going to use one today. This is the company, and this is the actual airbrush that I'm using today. It's the one that has the bottle on the bottom of it, not on the top. But I'm not using any airbrush paint today. I'm going to be using my ink, my alcohol inks, and I'm going to be blowing out my ink with the airbrush, just with the air. This is the main reason why I wanted a airbrush, was to use it with my alcohol inks, because I've been using this and it's not great for the hands. So I have an airbrush, and I tested it out a little bit and it was working fine. So I am going to be doing a flower today. I just want to say I have a few links in the description of my video, below my video, for the company, for their website, and a few links for the airbrush set that I got, and a few other items are on there. I have a 10% discount code for 10% off if you purchase anything. So yes, don't forget to check that out. Check out their website. I am also an affiliate with them. And that's basically it. I will be doing just one painting today with the airbrush. I have some of their airbrush paints, so I'm going to be testing them out at a later date. Okay, so let's get to it. So what I'm doing here is I am adding some blue alcohol ink, a couple of drops, to my tile. It's a ceramic tile that I'm using, 6x6. And so I'm putting a couple of drops of the blue down and 1 or 2 drops of alcohol, 99% alcohol. And I'm going to blow the petal over to the edge. And I do this all the way around until I finish the flower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward the rest of this, doing the flower, and then I'll be back when I do the center of the flower. So here now I'm doing the center of the flower, and I'm using acrylic pens, acrylic markers. I start out with white and I change to yellow and then change to a darker yellow. And then I add some blue lines around the center of the flower with blue. And that's about it, really. I will fast forward the rest of this for you. Okay, that's it for my video today. I find that the airbrush works great. There's no issues with it at all. I can't wait to start using their paint and see what I can get from that. Don't forget to check out the description below my video for 10% off discount code that I have there for any items that you would like to purchase from Meeden. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.